Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and very simple chipotle sauce. Now this is a sauce, but it can also be used as a marinade. It's a few simple ingredients that you put together in your blender, cook it off, and you can use it for chicken or beef or whatever you like. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get cooking. I'm going to work on a chipotle sauce. I have 1 can of chipotle peppers in adobo sauce, and this is going into my food processor. This can is 186 ml, that's 6.55 fluid ounces, and I'm going to add this in. I'm also going to add 2 teaspoons of tomato paste. Next, I'm going to add a tablespoon of salt. And I'm also going to add some powdered spices. I have 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, a half teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and a half teaspoon of clove powder. I'm going to add all of these in. Throw in 5 cloves of garlic, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of agave syrup or honey. Now I'm going to give this a quick blitz. Still a bit thick, so I'm going to add some water. I'm going to fill the empty can with water. This is going to pick up all of that additional adobo sauce. This can is 186 ml and that is 6.55 fluid ounces. I'm going to add the water in and blitz it again. I'm going to pour this into a pot and I'm going to boil this for 3 to 5 minutes. And this is what happens if you don't put a lid on. Make sure you have a lid on at all times and allow it to boil. And then allow it to cool. This can be used as a marinade as well as a sauce. I love to make this chipotle sauce ahead. I like to bottle it and store it in my refrigerator for at least 2 weeks. Enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings for Adventures. Hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for chipotle sauce. It's a simple recipe to have in your fridge and you can use it anytime that you like. Before I go, guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure that you've rung the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and share it with your family and friends. And also make sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, take care, guys. Bye.